Hi everyone, and welcome to our latest product update. This month has been a big one. We've delivered meaningful upgrades across the core of Gembadocs, improving how standards are captured, refined, published, and supported. We've made major improvements to our video step-by-step SOP feature on both web and mobile, improved visibility and access to customer support, and added yet another language. So let's get stuck in. First up, Chrome extension. We've made massive improvements here. The Chrome extension is where on-screen processes are captured, so it has to be fast, reliable, and professional. This month, we've significantly upgraded the entire capture experience. We've redesigned the interface. It's cleaner, more intuitive, and smoother to use. You focus on the process, not the software. You can now test audio before recording. No more discovering low sound after the fact. It's a small feature, but a big improvement. You now have full trim control after recording. Remove what doesn't add value and blur anything sensitive on the screen. Confidential data, internal systems, anything that shouldn't be visible. Capture confidently, even in live environments. You can also restart recording if something goes wrong during the process. You can restart without losing everything. It's not wasted effort. And you can now play steps directly in edit mode, reviewing faster, and it's more easy to refine. The PDF output has also been completely upgraded. The system now generates automatic step thumbnails. AI provides multiple options per step. You choose. Zoom and adjust and annotate. The result is more clear, more professional visual standards. Next up, we've upgraded the mobile video SOP function. This is about capturing standards directly at the point of work, so clarity and confidence matter. We've also added a clarity screen before recording starts. It gives clear guidance on how to narrate each step and talk through the process properly. The result is better explanations, stronger standards, and less rework. This month, we've made several focused upgrades to make mobile capture clearer and easier to use. Previously, it wasn't always obvious when recording had started, so now you get an audible beep countdown before recording begins. No ambiguity. You know exactly when you're live. Once your video is recorded, PDF generation has also been improved. For printed PDFs, you now have greater control over your thumbnails. You can select the best thumbnail for each step, zoom in or out to emphasize the exact detail that matters, annotate as needed, and the key upgrade is this zoom control, allowing you to guide the end user's attention precisely to the critical part of the image. That means clearer instructions on the floor. The mobile video SOP feature is now more deliberate, more controlled, and more effective at turning frontline knowledge into usable standards. I'm telling you, try it out. It's really cool. Next up, it's platform-agnostic video SOPs. Video SOPs are no longer tied to where they were created. If you record on web, you can edit on mobile. If you record on mobile, you can edit on web. Editing functionality now works across both environments. The process adapts to you, not the other way around. You can also generate strong structured PDF SOPs on either platform, mobile or web. The output quality is consistent. This is flexibility without compromise. One system, multiple entry points, consistent standards. Next, we have a new video SOP upload feature. Sometimes the standard already exists. It's just sitting in someone's camera roll or on a shared drive. This month, we've made it possible to turn existing videos into proper SOPs. Fast. You can upload from mobile or web. There's no re-recording, no workarounds. It's just an automatic step breakdown and get a printable PDF. This is about speed and reuse. Take the videos you already have and turn them into clear, structured standards, ready for the floor. Next, it's improved help and support. We've made support more visible and easier to access across the platform. you'll now see a help tray available from the question mark icon or the support link in the menu on both web and mobile. Support is no longer hidden. It's built into the experience. There's a smart help search inside the help tray, so you can quickly search help articles. Less digging, faster clarity. There's also direct bug and improvement reporting, so you can report bugs and suggest improvements directly through the help tray. And these go straight to our development team. It's the fastest way to resolve technical issues, and it ensures that your feedback directly shapes the product. The help tray also connects you to our support hub, the Lean Cave, and upcoming webinars. Everything is in one place. Support is now simpler, faster, and fully integrated into your workflow. And finally, we've added yet another new language. This month, we've added Arabic to the platform. Gembadocs is now accessible to Arabic-speaking teams, making it easier to create and follow standards in their native language. To all our new Arabic users, welcome. So to conclude, this month's release reflects our commitment to continuous improvement, and that progress is driven by you. Your feedback, your ideas, and the way you use Gembadocs in the real world directly shapes what we build next. We're genuinely grateful for your trust and for the work you're doing every day to raise standards and support your teams. Thank you so much for being part of this journey with us. Until next time.